morning or good afternoon, wonderful students. So the Khan Academy assignment for April 16th looks like this. Some of the problems do, and it is called Combining Like Terms with Negative Coefficients in Distribution. So negative coefficients are like this -5 right here. So watch carefully what happens when we work that problem. And then distribution means this 5 is going to be distributed to minus 5k. This 5 is going to be distributed to the 3. So here's an example of what distribution looks like. If you have 2 times x plus 4, then really this is the same as x plus 4 plus x plus 4. And it makes more sense maybe to line it up like this. X plus 4 plus x plus 4. And then you would add it just like that. 4 plus 4 is 8. X plus x is 2x. Okay? So if you look here, you would distribute the 2 to the x. Distribute means multiply, and distribute the 2 to the 4, and then you get 8. So 2 times 4 is 2x, and 2 times 4 is 8. So that would be 2x plus 8. Okay? So that shows you this is the same as this. Now let's look at how to do these problems. This negative sign, this subtraction sign, is saying I want to subtract 4n, and I want to subtract minus 3. So let me rewrite that so you can see how it works a little bit simpler. So this is going to be 7n. And if after you distribute the negative, after you distribute the subtraction sign, you're going to get minus 4n minus 3. So this first negative sign, let me make my highlighter smaller, is right here. And the second negative sign is right here. But you already know that when you subtract the negative, it's like adding a positive. So that thing is going to be turning into a plus sign. So it's going to be plus 3. So 7n minus 4n is 3n. Oh, that got sloppy. I apologize. Plus 3. And now if you look at our answers, 3n plus 3, that's the one you want. Okay, so look at this next one here. It's saying you want, I'll do this way. Scoot this over, clear all that, and I'll rewrite that for you. So 8k minus 5, parentheses, negative 5k plus 3. So distribute the 5, but remember, it's like you're distributing negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5, and negative 5 times positive 3. So bring your 8k straight down, and now do negative 5 times negative 5, and that's going to be positive 25. Okay. Negative 5 times 3 is going to be negative 15. Now combine like terms. This term has a k and this term has a k, so that's going to be 33k minus 15. Or this one right here. Hope that helped. Call me, email me if you get stuck on this assignment and want to work the problems together. Thanks.